Hello everyone, and in this video we will be seeing how we will install Federation Gateway to the system. It is somewhat similar to how we deployed our Access Gateway. However, there are some bit modifications and a different script file we need to download and execute. So, we'll follow through the guidelines provided by Magma. So the first thing they say is the prerequisites. So for that, I propose creating a folder first in your desktop. So currently I have it in my desktop named FeG folder. And what you can do is here you can add all your files, required files. So what are those required files? Those are the rootca.pem. This is something we discussed in our Access Gateway video as well, and we get that from Orchestrator. Second would be the control proxy.yml file. You can get it from Magma, FeG, gateway configs, and control proxy.yml file. The version or the format of this file might change according to the updates in Magma. So at my so I already have a rootca.pem which I brought from Orchestrator, and control.proxy for me is something like this, right? With these informations. Next, they have also provided it here. For me, somehow this did not work. These default values, and it might not work for you, so you have to find it out. And how to find it is to go to your orchestrator system, see your Docker containers, and most probably there are these port numbers given which you can access. Then you need your .env file. You can get it from Magma gateway docker.env for the most recent one. For me it looks something like this. If we compare it with the demo they have given, it's a bit different in a sense that I have this one, and they have mentioned all the local ports for different interfaces. While installation, it did not cause any issue for me. If you already know these values, then feel free to use it and use this version. For me, this was the setup provided. I just changed the Git version. Other than that, yeah, nothing else. So then, from Magma Orchestrator Tools and Docker, I took the install gateway.sh. So I made some modifications in this script because there were some things I had to install it again and again if I had faced errors. And what this script does is it removes anything you have downloaded, especially Magma project. Then it tries to download, clone it again, put it in a certain folder, and then start checking. So for me, I used to face errors, so this was very time consuming for me. So what I did was, so first thing I commented the folder creation and removal actions because I would do it manually. Um, Next thing, I had already fixed it. By manual, I mean I had already fixed it. It did not require constant change. Next, what I did was I commented out git cloning because I had already cloned um, for setting up Access Gateway or for setting up Orchestrator. So I used that folder. I just copied it to the install directory, and Yeah, I commented out any checking of if script has been changed because I had changed it. So I just commented it out and I just executed it, executed the script. So when you execute the script based on staying on this folder, so it's like give you sudo access, execute the script, and you need to give one parameter. That's FeG. So generally it goes and it completes, it installs successfully. Then if you want to connect it to the orchestrator, you need to verify in your etc hosts that you have these three options there or no. If no, then add it. This is the IP where my orchestrator system, and these three are the required names. Other than that, and once everything has been successfully done, you can restart your system. If you just check docker ps, and generally you don't have to run anything here, it automatically sets up. The script is based accordingly, so you will have all this running. So that's how we set up Federation Gateway.